Singapore's private home prices are up for the fourth straight quarter. It's also the steepest quarterly increase in home prices in about 3 years. A recovery in foreign buying to near pre-pandemic levels is helping to fuel the gains. Experts say a fresh round of cooling measures is on the cards.
Private home prices beat analyst predictions to jump above 3% in the first quarter. The low interest rate environment, coupled with signs of an economic recovery, boosted the demand for landed properties, bringing prices up. Prices of non-landed properties also climbed some 2% as buyers snapped up units from new launches. Almost returning to pre-COVID levels, foreign buyers swapping in to get their hands on local properties. Experts say transactions are likely to increase when border restrictions relax further. They add that some buyers are jumping in as they expect the government to step in soon to cool the property market.
If there are cooling measures, they should be maybe rolled it out as soon as possible. Get over with it so that the buyers, the sellers, the developers know how to align themselves and calibrate themselves accordingly. So the developers will know what is the land bids to bid for. The buyers will know how to plan their purchase. So I think rather than warnings, maybe just have the speculation curves.
But the experts also note that economic conditions are very different now compared to 2018 when fresh rounds of cooling measures were implemented.
They were to slap a cooling measure very soon. They have to balance many other things, the pace of growth that's going to affect the other sectors and so on. So this could be a reason why they are delaying. It's just that there are too many uncertainties right now in the global economy. And especially since this price increase is not just pertaining to Singapore. It's actually happening around the world.
Meanwhile, HDB resale prices also rose for a fourth straight quarter at 3%. The prices are now edging closer to the price peak in 2013 and will likely reach that level if property demand continues. Some of the demand is due to delays in the build-to-order market.
For the HDB resale market, it will be driven by, of course, the supply and demand imbalance, because supply doesn't seem to be catching up with this demand. So many of these buyers are now turning to the HDB resale market.
The experts expect both HDB and private home prices to rise between 5 and 9% for this year, supported by an economic recovery and vaccine optimism.